Hi guys, in this video I want to talk to you about 5 inspirational documentaries that you should watch as a filmmaker or a creative person. So the first one on the list is called Kingdom of Dreams and Madness. So this follows the life of Hayao Miyazaki, who is the animator in Studio Ghibli. If you haven't watched their movies, you should go and watch it now. The second on the list is called Bill Cunningham, New York. This follows the life of a photographer, Bill Cunningham, who is working for New York Times. Till his death, he has worked in the paper without even charging it. Third one on the list is called The Maiden Trip. So this follows the life of a 13-year-old girl who wants to travel the world. The fourth one on the list is called Jiro Dreams of Sushi, which follows the life of a chef Jiro who has a sushi shop which he is running even after 80 years old. Fifth one on the list is called Minimalism. It teaches us to live with only minimalistic things in life and to be happy. I hope that these documentaries inspire you. If you have any other recommendation, let me know in the comments. Have a nice day.